The installation and application of HydraShell Max, HydraShell Supreme, and HydraShell Premium synthetic underlayment products. Prior to installing HydraShell Max, Supreme, or Premium, it is recommended to install either HydraShell Supreme SA or HydraShell Premium SA as an ice and water barrier. For a video on how to properly install HydraShell Supreme SA and HydraShell Premium SA, go to marcoindustries.com. Once a HydraShell self-adhesive ice and water product has been applied, the roof is ready for the installation of a HydraShell mechanically fastened product. Install HydraShell Max, Supreme, or Premium print side up, horizontal, parallel, to the eave. In all applications, extend the underlayment product 1 inch past the gable or rake edge in order for it to be able to be turned down and covered with code-compliant flashing prior to the installation of the final roof covering. Begin at the bottom of the roof deck so that overlaps will run with the flow of water in a shingling fashion. There should be a minimum 3-inch horizontal lap and 6-inch vertical lap. The minimum finished roof slope should be no less than 212. For roof slopes greater than 212 and less than 412, laps shall be increased to 25 inches. Each underlayment is labeled with printed fastening marks. Fasteners should be installed at each location, according to the printed marks. Fasteners should be a corrosive-resistant roofing nail with a minimum head diameter of 3/8 inches. While a plastic cap nail with a 1-inch diameter is acceptable, it is not the best application for metal roofing, as they could dimple low-profile panels. Fasteners shall be 90 degrees to the roof deck and shall not be under or over-driven. For underlayment applications that are not covered by the primary roof covering within 30 days and/or for applications in high wind zones, or where there are any signs of underlayment uplifting, lap widths should be doubled and fastening frequency increased to 6 inches on center for horizontal and vertical laps and 12 inches on center along the center of the roll. Additionally, it is recommended that a caulk or sealant material be applied between laps before fastening to prevent moisture ingress in areas of high wind. HydraShell Max and HydraShell Supreme can be exposed to ultraviolet conditions for up to 90 days, and HydraShell Premium can be exposed for up to 6 months. However, severe weather and/or local job site conditions may require a shorter exposure period. Fastening methods and materials should conform to best building practices and local job site conditions. Verify final application to be compliant with the requirements of applicable building codes. For more information on HydraShell products, contact Marco Industries at 1-800-800-8590 or visit www.marcoindustries.com.